Hey everybody, it's Shark Scrapper here. You may recall in our last video we went from this to this, and this was where I said we were going to pick things back up again. So our motorcycle shop is kind of an interesting pickup because we tend to get a mix of aluminum and ferrous material. So ferrous, see, then we get these kind of big chunks of aluminum, which are nice. Set that aside. Here's some interesting brake pads. That looks like copper on one side. I'm going to set those aside and look up what these, are made of, and if I can separate what looks like the copper from the pad material. Huh, interesting. More aluminum. We get these windings. These are fun because I can unwrap those for number 2 copper. Aluminum. I've got a bin over here that I'm chucking the ferrous material into. These are interesting brake pads. I haven't seen these before from these guys, so I need to look those up. My magnet is about ready to die, so fortunately I've got another magnet here somewhere. There, here we are. There we go. All right, what are you? Ferrous. Plastic. Some wire. Aluminum. More of these weird pads. This is an air filter on a ferrous bracket of some sort. All right, a radiator, aluminum. These cans, I punch a hole in these and then the scrapyard will take those. I cannot stress enough how important it is to wear some sort of eye protection. I've even gone to the full face shield now because one time breaking one of these cans open, it was a paint can and I hadn't noticed the fact that it was still pretty full and I'd sprayed silver paint all over my face. Fortunately, I had a mask on so my eyes were protected. But I looked like the Tin Man. Safety first. And here's some more aluminum. All right, I don't think you really want to sit around and watch me finish up the last little bit. There's also a battery in the corner. So I'm going to get this all cleaned up and put together a ferrous run to take in. I will see you all in a little bit. Well, we're making progress. We've got a few. We've got the power supply stack that we still need to get through, but we are down to 1 full pallet of the computers and then these 20. So we are making progress on all those PCs we brought in. Of course, we still have all of those, and we still have all of those. So we still have a lot that we have to do, and we're trying to keep up with all of our other regular clients like the electrician and the plumber and the mailbox guy. So yeah, we're busy, but it's a good busy. All right, well, we have a nice non-ferrous load going in here. Sheet aluminum, dirty stainless, insulated copper wire, cast aluminum, batteries, just all kinds of good stuff to take in and see what we can make. I know there's a lot of you that like to get the payouts on these things, so here's what we ended up with on this run. We had 4 pounds of aluminum extrusions at 60 cents a pound for $2.40. We had some clean stainless, that's that sink. I don't know why they called it clean. I would have thought that would have been dirty, but anyway, 16 pounds at 40 cents a pound for $6.40. Now, this is not just wire from the electrician, because I had a bunch of wire waiting to go in as well. So anyway, there were 23 pounds of insulated number 2 at 80 cents a pound for $18.40. The batteries were 54 pounds at 22 cents a pound for $11.88. Sheet aluminum 30 pounds at 43 cents a pound for $12.90. Cast aluminum 43 pounds at 45 cents a pound, so $19.35. Okay, so the insulated wire number 1 was 46 pounds at $2.25 a pound. So that was $103.50. That was our real money. And the Cat 5 was 6 pounds at $1.20 a pound, so that was $7.20. 13 pounds of Romex at $1.80 a pound, so $23.40. And then this is that that aluminum radiator that you saw, 3 pounds at 50 cents a pound, so $1.50. Overall, not a bad day. We made $206.93. Bottom line, I recommend that you get yourself some tradesmen as clients, electricians, plumbers, repair folks. Even if you have to pay them, you can negotiate prices such that you'll still make money on the deal. And sometimes they'll give it to you for free. They just want it recycled properly. Have a great day.